Hello everyone, I am Advocate Akhil Solanki, associate with Dial Easy. So in this video we're going to discuss about forgery. So as we all know that forgery is covered under section 463 of Indian Penal Code. So whoever makes any false document or part of a document with intent to cause damage or injury to the public or to any person or to support any claim or title or to cause any person to part with property. So to to a writer into any express or implied contract or with intention to commit fraud or that fraud may be committed, this means that forgery is being done. So according to section 464 of Indian Penal Code, a person is said to make a false document who dishonestly or fraudulently makes signs, seals or executes a document or part of a document or makes any mark denoting the execution of document with intention of causing it to be believed that such document or part of a document was made, signed, sealed or executed by or by the authority of a person by whom or by whose authority he knows that it was not made, signed, the authority of a person by whom or by whose authority the seal or at the time at which he knows that it was not made or signed or executed. So who without lawful authority dishonestly or fraudulently by cancellation of or otherwise alters a document in any material part thereof after it has been made or executed either by himself or by any other person, whether such person be living or dead at the time of such alteration. Thank you. See you next video with some more information.